A 2.2% slip in Zcash is forecast for tomorrow, based on cryptonization data. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. Right now, Zcash is showing a gain of 4.3% and is trading around $277.29. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. The price might reach $282.49 by March 19, CoinLore says. That would be about 1.9% above current value. CoinCodex anticipates Zcash may rise toward $279.45, an estimated increase of 0.8%. According to Coin Price Forecast, the value may approach $278, an estimated increase of 0.2%. Another analysis from Cryptonization notes Zcash could head toward $271.20, a decline close to 2.2%. And finally, 30 Rates highlights a move toward $269 by tomorrow, representing a loss of 3%. This stands as the most profitable forecast in today's lineup. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. We've gathered all the predictions. Here's the analytical view. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a drop of 3% and an increase of 1.9%, depending on the analyst. That means 30 Rates is forecasting the highest return with 3% gain in value by March 19. Ultimately, you could collect between $2 and $30 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility-based calculations, Coin Price forecast stands out with a 99.1% chance of success. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. Aggregated predictions show Zcash around $276.03. Here are the details. The consensus base case places the price 0.5% lower. And on that same note, your capital could also increase by about 0.5%. On a 1,000 example, that could work out to around $5 in potential profit. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for Zcash is placed at roughly 99%. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. CoinLore notes that Zcash could push higher. Meanwhile, CoinCodex signals a likely move upward. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. Cryptonization sees Zcash losing ground. 30 Rates expects Zcash to move higher over the coming days. The consensus picture shows Zcash with clear upward momentum. At this stage, 80% of analyst opinions reflect a bullish scenario for Zcash. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Today we look at them against the outcome. Ultimately, the market closed near $272.42. Only 2 of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. 30 Rates produced the most correct forecast. Now let's sort it out. Not one forecast aligned with yesterday's actual range. For ROI, multiple analysts ended in the green and the maximum return recorded was 16.2%. Now on screen is the summary table. All forecasts lined up for review. In the data, 30 Rates shows 84.8% forecast probability and 16.2% ROI. Take a look and find out who stood out in this set of forecasts. Now let's take a closer look at how tomorrow's forecasted profitability differs between Zcash and the rest. Zcash ranks lower while Tron holds the lead at 2.1%. At this stage, Zcash is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table of returns and long-term analyst results will soon go live on my site and Telegram. If you're tracking Zcash regularly, leave a like to get more updates like this one. Take care and see you in the next one.